Hey everyone, welcome back to Truehost Academy. In today's video, we're going to dive into how to make your WordPress website responsive for all devices. With so many people accessing the web on their phones and tablets, it's crucial that your site looks great everywhere. Let's get started. First, let's quickly understand what we mean by responsive design. A responsive website automatically adjusts its layout and content to fit different screen sizes, ensuring a seamless user experience on desktops, tablets, and smartphones. Step 1. Choose a responsive theme. Most modern WordPress themes are built with responsiveness in mind. When selecting a theme, look for terms like mobile-friendly or responsive in the description. Next, let's head to the WordPress Customizer. Go to Appearance Customize. Here you can tweak various settings like site identity, colors, and menus. Preview how your changes look on different devices using the device icons at the bottom. Images play a big role in responsiveness. Use plugins like Smush or EWW Image Optimizer to compress images without losing quality. Also, make sure to upload images that are appropriately sized for various screens. Now, let's look at navigation. Ensure your menus are easy to use on mobile. In Appearance menus, you can create a simplified mobile menu or use a plugin like WP Mobile Menu for a better user experience. Using responsive plugins is key. Look for plugins that adapt to mobile devices. Avoid those known to be not mobile friendly, as they can break your layout. Testing is vital. Use tools like Google's Mobile Friendly Test or browser developer tools to see how your site performs across devices. Adjust your styles using CSS if needed. And that's a wrap. By following these steps, you'll ensure your WordPress website looks great on any device. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more WordPress tips. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.